establishing TŌNUI has allowed us to create learning opportunities that are specifically designed for the young people of Tairāwhiti. Every day they're doing something that they've never done before and they are so excited, they're so proud of themselves, and we get to be part of that.
As an educator, TŌNUI Collab has provided a wonderful opportunity for our Year 5 to Year 9 students. We come from a really small rural school and we just don't have the resources or capability at this point in time to deliver a really quality digital technology program.
3 words to describe TŌNUI Collab and the people in it would be fun, caring and inspiring.
It's just wonderful that we can use this sort of technology to experience things that our tamariki here in Gisborne might not otherwise have the chance to do, and we can do it right here from our very own lab.
Ko te mea pai kia hau ki te harama ki TŌNUI Collab, ka ako mātou I te hangarau matihiko, te mātai karetao me e ako ana mātou pia ki te hanga I ngā kimu.
Here at TŌNUI we get to have fun and we get to learn. So I just think the team is like just the best team I've ever met.
The kids can create almost anything to mark their spot in this world.